Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have a vintage Evans Banner automatic petrol lighter. It's in very good condition. It has a wrap of some sorts around it. I believe it is synthetic. It looks like reptile or some other kind of lizard or some other animal leather. But as I said, I believe it's synthetic. In very good condition, a very well lighting lighter. This lighter does show scuffs, corrosion, maybe some buildup of sorts there on the base. The flint tube was obstructed when I got it, and regardless how it seems in some of these other videos, I don't take these Evans lighters apart for fun. But this one is a whale of a lighter. Sparks extremely well. I did not replace the wick. I did not need to pull it up, snip it off, anything like that. Does look like it's probably a asbestos wick of some kind. It's very stiff. If you enjoy watching videos about old petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video you're watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. Send that link off in a text, email, post it on social media, however it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. You can leave any comments or questions below the video. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like Dependable Flame and DependableFlame.com across all the social media platforms. That'll be Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. You can see that wrap is very snug, seems to be in very good condition. According to the Toledo Bend VCL site, Evans began making these Banner lighters around 1940, and then they could have been made all the way up into at least the 60s, I think, and maybe even the 70s. So I just don't know that leather would still look that good after all these years, and I also don't know that leather can be seamed like that. So if anybody knows, I know that Evans made some higher end stuff, so I don't know. I'm not a fan of the synthetic wraps, especially the ones that are faux leather, but this one looks really good. There is some plating loss or scuffs. Showed that on the bottom a while ago. This particular lighter has a covering over the fulcrum screws, which I believe in this lighter if we removed these plates, we would find fulcrum rivets. And even though there are videos out there with me showing you how to put those in, it's not fun, and I'm not going to do it if it's not necessary. So with this particular lighter, when the flint tube was obstructed, it does have a straight flint tube, so I was able just to drill it out by hand with the drill bits. But that left a lot of residue on the wheel, so I just went across it several times, back and forth, going between those striations with the small end of a precision standard screwdriver to knock that degraded flint off of the wheel. So it's not perfect. It's not anywhere near as good as it could have been if I could have got a wire brush on it, but I don't want to scratch everything else up. So I just took a screwdriver, as I said, and pushed it out from between those striations. So the mechanism has not been disassembled. It does appear as though there's a mark back here, like maybe somebody tried to pry that off, or maybe that's just a, I think it's plating loss from where they tried to pry it off. But anyway, it is what it is. Make sure you get over to eBay and check out the dependableflame.com store. Every purchase that you make there will benefit HDSA, Huntington's Disease Society of America, with at least 10% of each purchase going to the charity. We also run 3 penny start auctions each month, where 100% of the proceeds of those auctions go to HDSA. High bidder gets the lighter, pays the money. I provide free shipping. Everybody's happy. It's a pretty clean lighter, despite the plating loss here and there, and the other spot here, and I'm sure there's some others that I've missed, but it does show that kind of wear, scuffs, dings, but overall in very good condition, and a lighter that doesn't appear to have been messed with a whole lot. While you're over there at eBay, make sure that you follow Dependable Flame so that you get the notifications when each of those new listings come up. Make sure also here on the YouTube channel that you hit the bell so you're notified each time we publish a new video, which happens every weekday morning, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. Central. Holidays included. Don't normally publish videos on the weekend, Saturday or Sunday, but we will on occasion if there's something that we need to get out there, or something we need to link to, or whatever. But make sure that you hit the bell so that you get those notifications and you are privy to those videos as soon as they're published each weekday morning at 8 a.m. You know, a lot of lighters you really have to kind of get your grip, and this one just works. Pretty cool. Until next time.